you go. Hi, I'm back.
Take 2. There you go.
Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter.
Sherry.
And I'm coming to you today to tell you that I am doing the sew-along. The Glow and Behold sew-along with the Fort Worth Fabric Studios. You want to say something?
Well, I just remembered how we started out the other video with the air conditioner.
Oh, well, that's all right. I'm just letting them know what this is about. Okay.
So what is it about?
So this is the drawing video.
There you go.
It's the enter the drawing. It's not drawing. We're not drawing it yet.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, the reason I haven't been doing any videos this summer, your phone's not broke, you haven't got any notifications, don't worry about it. You didn't drop off. At least I don't think you did. The reason being that my air conditioner kicked the bucket right after I managed to put it in the window. So I haven't had an air conditioner up here.
Managed to kick the bucket after we
That's
put
right.
it in the window.
I can't pick up the air conditioner.
No,
so.
you cannot.
No, she picked it up. Anyway, I came home from work one day and it sounded the way it was making a clacking noise. And it reminded me of back when I was a kid, my sister and I took clothespins and put cards, playing cards, full-size playing cards on the back of the spokes on our wheel. And if you know that sound and you all have done that, that's exactly what it made, that kind of noise. It's not normal noise in an air conditioner, window air unit. Shut it off.
In the air conditioner?
I have no clue. I didn't open up the window and look.
Let's not find out.
Anyway.
Could have been a bird.
Doesn't make any difference. Point being that also, if you've been on Facebook, on the Fort Worth Fabric Studio Facebook page, you'll know that this sew-along, which was going to start tomorrow, the 22nd of September, has been delayed, and it will start next Monday. The kits will come out tomorrow. If anybody doesn't have a kit and you're wondering why, they're going to come out tomorrow. That's when they're going to start mailing them. I'll get my kit about Wednesday or Thursday. I want to go ahead and you guys tell me in the comments below if you would like Glow and Behold, so I know which kit you're asking about. If you want to see the colors, you'll need to go over there to the Facebook page for Fort Worth Fabric Studios because they have all the pretty, I think they're yellows and browns and a little bit of orange. So they're really, really pretty fabrics. So that you have an idea if you're trying to get your own fabrics to use for the pattern. Now, you know that the patterns don't go up until after the kits are already out and it starts on Monday. And I do believe, I haven't looked at it, so I'm not positive, but going forward, they were having you pay for the pattern if you're only going to get the pattern. Otherwise, it comes out every, if you sign up for it, I don't know how they're working it this year. So I don't know if you can pay for the pattern and you get one every single week or if they give you the whole thing. I have no idea. But you can find that out on the website. Second, I want to say that, I guess that was it. Just make the comment in the closing. Do you have anything else you want to add? My first video was so hard.
And it wasn't even that long either, but
apparently I'm real rusty because I haven't been on YouTube video. Only been watching them, but haven't been doing any.
Oh, it was rough. There was a lot of uhs and ums and
so's and
she counted 7 of them, and she wasn't even halfway through editing.
Fumbling every word you could think of. I was fumbling all my words. My date was wrong. All kinds of things.
And I told her it's because you're rusty. Because you haven't done it in May, June, July, August, September. 4 months, almost 5 months.
But yeah, I feel like I'm out of sync with it. But anyway, I'm gonna have the you can make your comments until Wednesdays when I'm gonna shut all the comments off. So after Wednesday, I won't take any more names. But you know me, I write them all down.
What time Wednesday?
you just noon. Wednesday at noon, I'm gonna stop. Don't even take my word for that. It might be later when I get home from work. Who knows? God. Right now I'm saying noon, but I don't know. It's just Wednesdays cutting off.
But you're definitely pulling the names on Friday in the morning when I get off,
yes,
right?
Yes.
So when I get off at 8, I'll go home, take Henry out, feed him, and then we'll both come over.
Right.
And you'll hear a lot of scruffing downstairs while we
unless there's some other day before Friday that you don't work.
Maybe Wednesday, but that's
there you go.
Pushing it because I kind of want to go in.
Okay, all right.
And work extra.
So you heard it. Delayed 1 week, and the drawing will be this week sometime because I definitely want to get it in the mail Friday morning to whoever's going to get it. So at least you have a chance to have it and start on Monday without everybody that's going to be doing it. Okay, that was it. Thanks for following and watching, and welcome everybody that's new. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.